Hey party people, it's Melissa here from Little Kosher Lunch, and I just wanted to update you guys quickly that I'm doing what I said I was gonna do, and I'm making a baked Alaska for tonight's dinner. It's the first night's seder, so I'm actually doing a kosher for Passover, flourless, almond orange cake. I bought 1 tub of deluxe orange sherbet at the store, store brand even, molded that into a bowl. I am now gonna follow this all recipes method of doing a baked Alaska that I'll link up for you down below in case you wanna give this a try. You can do it with any kind of cake, any kind of ice cream or sherbet or sorbet. What I need to do now is put my cake, dump my sherbet on top so that it's like 1 unit, whip up 8 egg whites right now into a meringue. Then I frost it in the meringue and put it back in the freezer before guests come. So stick around till the end. I'm gonna share this with you. Hopefully it will be a success, but it's gonna hang out in the freezer for 2 hours and then go into a hot, hot oven. All the instructions will be down below. As always, give this video a like if you liked it, and thank you so much for being here on my channel. All right, wish me luck.
Oh, everyone stay far away. I'm so excited.
I'm so proud.
Okay, go to your seats if you want to be served.
This looks even better than the picture you showed me.
It's crunchy. It's crunchy on the outside.
It's ice cream inside, Lucy.
Okay, only seated, quiet children. Oh, wow. You see this? Okay, be seated and very quiet.